Yo, what's the word? It's Shonn Graphics back with another thumbnail tutorial for y'all. The last video did pretty decent, so I figured I'll double back and do another thumbnail video. But I don't want to waste no more of y'all time, so let's get straight into it. To start off, I honestly just went to my recommended page and just seen a thumbnail that I liked and decided to recreate it. So with me recreating it, I would need to recreate the notification as well. So I needed to find a particular shape. After I found one I liked, I saved it and loaded it into Photo Room to get the background removed. I needed to manipulate the shape of it and make it a little bit smaller, so I'll put it in Pixar to do so. Then it was time to finally load it in CapCut to add the YouTube logo and the text. After finding a decent logo on Safari, I did so. And now that the notification was pretty much done, I needed to add a little shadow to it, so I exported it from CapCut. I'll show you later on in the video how I did so. But after the shadow was added to the notification, I loaded in the AI-generated background of a studio and the image of a man I found on Safari into CapCut together and started getting the images positioned. Of course, I used Photo Room to AI-generate the background and to get the background removed from the man. I did the same thing with the laptop image I found on Safari and loaded in the notifications and liked it up with the words at the top, always cross-referencing with the original thumbnail throughout the whole process. After getting the notifications positioned behind the laptop and everything flowing together nicely, it was time to adjust the brightness and the lighting of the laptop. After doing that, I wanted to readjust the positioning of the letters and the notifications a little bit. Then it was time to add the little cherry on top of the arrow. And I wanted to change the background, so I went back into Photo Room to use the AI generator for the background. After finding one I liked, I loaded it behind it in Photo Room and I added the little blur to it. You know, I could have just saved it and left it like this and called it a day, but I couldn't just copy straight on it, so I had to change something. I gave it this little black and white effect and this line effect, and then zoomed it in and lined it up real good, and mill's done from there. This is the original, and this is the one I made. I ain't gonna lie, I think mine is better. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Y'all rate this 1 through 10. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next video, man.